Hey guys, it's Allison here, and I know it has been forever since I made a video for YouTube, but I just went across the line and picked up the special Christmas kit from Simon Says Stamp, and I will post a link in the comments or in the description on YouTube as to where you can find it. I haven't checked to see if it's out of stock yet or not. Hopefully it's not, because it looks amazing. I just took a tiny little peek and I'm excited to start working with it. Okay, so here we go. You open it up, nice little thank you card from Simon Says Stamp, and then right on the side there you've got some embossing powder. So this is Antique Gold, ultra fine, and this says Cosmic Shimmer Fluffy Stuff, and I'm kind of hoping it's the stuff that kind of looks like a bunny cottontail or something like that. I don't know. I haven't looked at the description of everything that was in this kit, so it's kind of a mystery. But anyway, that's what that is. And here's a package of goodies. I don't know if you can tell, but this is a lot thicker than a normal monthly card kit. Candy cane. In our monthly card kits we get suckers, so it makes sense that you get a candy cane in the Christmas one. Okay, so as you can tell, this is loaded. We've got some green ribbon. Oops, stuck. Tim Holtz Ideology. We've got 58 pieces of ephemera. So lots of Christmas images, quite vintage, that you can use. You can use this in your December daily, on cards, on your layouts, all of the above. A whole lot of tags and card blanks of different sizes. So you can make your own gift tags, or you can add those onto card front or scrapbook pages for journaling. These are some little envelopes. And okay, so these are all the envelopes. So different sizes of envelopes. There we go. So we got, these are like little gift card size in red, white, and vellum. And then note card size in there. I think this is called Sahara Sand or something like that. Desert Storm, or I don't know. Anyways, craft. And then 3 regular sized envelopes. We got a red. This looks like a vanilla. It doesn't look white. And then a metallic green. Some 6x6 papers, and I can't remember who these are from. I'll check and see if there's a sheet that will tell me. They're double-sided, so I'm gonna say they're probably like Echo Park or Cartabella or something. Very pretty. Lots of craft. Red, black, white, green, very traditional Christmas colors. I know I will be able to use at least one side of each of these. See, that's kind of fun. You could actually cut them out and have them like in a row on a card or something. That would be really pretty. Candy cane stripes. Some little cards that you can cut out and make into cards. They would fit perfectly on a little gift card sized card. So those are the 6x6 papers. And then one of the papers in here, where was it? I just went past it, didn't I? This one. You've got a background stamp that matches. How neat is that? So large background stamp. Some clear embossing powder. So that's like Simon Says Stamp's version of Versamark. You got a 3-pack of stickles. Let's see if I can get into this. So we've got probably an antique gold. It's called Tidings. I cannot read what that says. Sorry. My old eyes. I think that one's called Festive. Joyful, maybe. So it's not a solid red. It's mostly red, but it's also got like gold and maybe some green in there. And this one too, it's not like a solid green. It's got some other colors of glitter in there. So that's kind of cool. You've got this little Santa Claus. Now, to be honest, I have no idea what I would do with that. It's not really my thing, but whatever, comes in the kit. And then some sparkle tape. So this is gold, it's adhesive tape. I've used this before. I think I have a silver one, so that's fun. And then there are 6x8 stamp set. I love this, and this is basically why I bought the kit, to be honest. I love getting the different images. So you've got the different ornaments that you can stamp. You can create a background with those. You could stamp them, emboss them, cut them out, whatever. The snowflakes, you could make a beautiful snowy background with that. You can make like a wreath with all your boughs. So pretty. Okay, and then there's a few sheets of cardstock as well. I've got red, sticking together green, white, and craft. Okay, so that is the kit. Very, very full kit. This is not the monthly kit. Like I said, this is the special Christmas kit, and I will post a link in the description. If it is still available, it will be a link so you could buy it, and it will be an affiliate link, so a small portion of your purchase goes to me. And I thank you very much for using my affiliate link, and I can't wait to start creating cards with this. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.